2019 Leaf Metal Draft 5-box, 1 random last name letter break number 1. I already did the random here. I didn't include it in the video, but if you go back to the live stream video, you'll be able to watch it, but I didn't include it in this recording. All right, here we go. I said I'd just do these 5 right here, so I'm going to set these ones kind of off to the side here. We're going to do these ones. Right? You never know, though. With these cases, plenty of times in 2018 Leaf Draft, we had like multiple, Rosens in a case. I think one time we hit three Rosens or 3 Allens or something in one of the cases. I don't know why I put gloves on, but whatever. All right, here we go. They're already top loaded. Yeah, the YouTube link's down below that. There's a link for YouTube down below. Here we go with the S spot. Need this one. David Sills. S spot. Who got the S spot? Roy. We're going to have to make a deal on both these Sills. Nice. Akeem Butler, B spot, base auto, on card. Nice. Dexter Lawrence, Clemson, L spot, JB with the L spot, purple parallel, 17 out of 25. DeMarcus Lodge, L spot, JB, base auto on that one. Nice one here. Blue Wave, DK Metcalf, M spot, Chris Franklin. That's a good one. 14 out of 20. Metcalf climbing up the draft boards. All right, first box in the books there. Josh Jacobs one time. Damian Harris for the H spot, base wave. So you're saying you still got a shot, Matt. Caden Smith, blue, 7 out of 35, S spot. Ed Oliver for the O spot, cards 88, 19 out of 35, blue parallel. David Montgomery, purple, M, Chris Franklin, 12 out of 25. That's a good one here. Benny Snell Jr., S spot, Roy with the S spot. Benny Snell Jr., purple, 13 out of 25. Where's Benny Snell Jr. projected? What do they have him on one of the latest ones? Somebody look it up. I want to see. One of the latest draft boards. Where's he? Third round or later. Yeah. All right, fair enough. I thought he was a little bit higher, but all right. There he is. There he is, Matt. Paris Campbell, base auto. Got a hit. Caleb Wilson, W spot, base auto. Elijah Holyfield, H, purple wave, 15 out of 15. And what do we have here? Harry, H spot again. H spot getting a bunch of stuff. Well, maybe not a whole bunch, but some stuff. Redemption. And nice. A.J. Brown. Pink. 18 out of 20 for the B spot. B spot is DJ Rez on the A.J. Brown. Nice. Alright, we need something big. Yeah, I know it, man. I know it. It's sad, but oh, for the O spot, this guy, Penn State. Yeah, right. Johnny Dixon, Ohio State. Base wave D spot. D is. Wait, I don't even have D in there. All right, looks like we got to random this Johnny Dixon off. I must have missed that one. D, A, B, C. Yeah, he's not in there. All right, D. We'll have to random this one off. D's not in there. Anthony Johnson, J spot, purple wave. I must have missed him whenever I was looking at the checklist. I knew I was going to do that. Jess with the J spot. I knew it. I knew it. Clayton Thornton. T spot, Thad Daddy, base wave. And last up in this box is Marquise Brown. There you go. B spot, DJ Rez. That's a real good one. Marquise Brown, redemption. One of the top wide receivers, if not the top wide receiver. Marquise Brown, DJ Rez with the B spot. All right, one more box to go. Johnny equals J, just give it to the J spot. Hardman, H, base. Chase Winovich, Michigan for the W spot, beer. Harmon, H, 4 out of 15, was it black maybe? Ooh, nice. And Emmanuel Hall, H spot. A lot of H's. And how about this bad boy right here, fellas? How about a little Drew Lock? L spot. Who got him? JB with the L spot. Drew Locks. State Pride. Base wave, not numbered on the Drew Lock. L spot is JB. Alright, that was it. Hey, Drew Lock's pretty good, man. There you go, JB. He's pumped up. That's a good one. Marquise Brown's good too. All right, we just got to do a random real quick on this Dixon. That was my bad. I don't know what I did. I'll have to add it in on the next one. The D. All right, here we go. Got to be 3 or higher. Top spot gets it. 5 and a 5, 10 times. Top spot on 10 gets it. Ten times Thad Daddy on 10. So Thad gets it on 10. All right, I'm gonna try to do one more of these, and then I want to do oops, that's not what I wanted. I want to do one more of these, and then I want to do get back into that. We'll get that last case of honors rolling. I mean, it's still pretty early for Friday, so not a big deal. All right, appreciate it, guys.